Those guys over there are Chilean flamingos. The Chilean flamingo's scientific name is Chilean. These guys live in salt lakes in the mountains of South America. The flamingos was hunted for its plumage until it was discovered that the pink color fades shortly after death. Both the male and female build the cone-shaped nest of mud. A single egg is laid and incubated for 30 days. By both sexes. And Chilean flamingos can stand on one egg, and they get their food from the shrimp, and they get their colors from the shrimp they eat. There's also the Caribbean there are other types of flamingos like the Caribbean, great eater, and lesser flamingo. Oh, and these guys, and when they're babies, they don't have coloring, and when they attract females, they march around. It looks like this, right? And they are really graceful flyers, and they'll move their head around underwater to collect brine shrimp. And they are great flyers too. And they're called Chilean flamingos because they live in Chile, a country in South America.